Want to export high quality video from edit apps? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can export high quality videos. Start by heading over to your application edits. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Over here, import any of the video that you want to export in high quality. Once it has been imported here, edit the video with all of those features given below. You can add the audio, text, voice, captions, and many more. Once you are done editing the video and now you want to export, and if you want to export in high quality, then tap on this icon right beside export at the top right. For the resolution, you have to select 4K, and for the color, choose SDR. Once you have selected, tap on export at the top right corner of the screen. Now simply wait for a while for it to export. And there you go, high quality video has been exported into your gallery. If you want to directly upload in Instagram, tap on share to Instagram. Enter the caption, tag people, location, and many more, and then click on share at the bottom. After that, you'll be good to go. This is it. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial, especially if you have just started with Edits app.